Did not have a battery for this remote, and I said to myself, 12 volts is 12 volts, right? Boom. Jump box key fob. Trademark 2021 J&J Auto Wrecking. Anybody caught using that will be fined heavily. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MMMZ101. Excuse me. This is a 1991 Maserati TC. I don't know. This is like the Wish.com Maserati. This is it. We ordered a Maserati for $3,000. This is what showed up. A freaking LeBaron with a facelift. Without further ado, there it is though. Really clean car. We'll circle around to the back where it got rear-ended.
Shiny turd.
As Lee said, it's a shiny turd. I'm sorry in advance if you have one of these, but you could buy a LeBaron and I don't even know why you'd want a LeBaron. If you have one of these, let me know in the comments why. I genuinely am just interested. If this means something to you guys, if this was something your grandpa had, maybe this is a car you always lusted after. I just really want to know what the Maserati TC owner's life is like. So let me know down in the comments what kind of Maserati you have. If you got any videos or links to it, let us know. We'll check it out. Generally, just kind of want to meet our customers on this one because I have no idea who in the heck is keeping one of these on the road. Back to the car though. Very, very clean. We'll have a lot of good parts on this. Complete front end's going to be for sale. Bumper, headlights, hood. Andy, did you leave the grill in the hood?
No, I did not. That is separate. Maybe
if you need a LeBaron upgrade, you can get your Sawzall out and bust that bad boy in there. Nice set of OEM wheels with Ling Long crosswind tires. Nothing but the best for a Maserati. I will say though, I'm a huge fan of the whole Radwood movement, I guess we could call it. Really wouldn't call it rad, but I just call it cars I grew up with driving. But a 90s interior is pretty awesome. And this thing, it's locked. It's all right. This thing does not disappoint. It's like they bought stock in Lazy Boy and slapped some seat tracks on some leftover recliners here. There we go. Look at this thing. Cushy. I mean, these are, I don't even know how to describe it. If you've never been in one of these, I'll show you. You can feel with me. It's literally like a recliner. All right.
More comfortable than 90s Cadillac.
47,000 miles on this thing too. Wah, wah, wee, wah. All right, how do we start this? What was the magic, Andy? So in true Maserati form, even though this is not an Italian Maserati, it still acts like one. It's got the electrical gremlins in its DNA. Apparently there's some sort of a rigmarole we have to do with the key battery fob setup. While Andy's working on that, I just want to point one thing out. Chrysler.
Which means it might actually be semi-reliable.
Maserati. Chrysler. Who did you think you were fooling, Maserati, with this one? It's a freaking LeBaron. All right, so now Andy over there has to put, yes, I love it. I got to show this off, guys. This was I'm the one that told him to do this. He's the one that executed it. We did not have a battery for this remote. And I said to myself, 12 volts is 12 volts, right? Boom. Jump box key fob. Trademark 2021 J&J Auto Wrecking. Anybody caught using that will be fined heavily. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Dude, it's 2021. I got to keep my butt covered. I don't want nobody getting rich off of my tushy. My behind. It's what is politically correct. Anyways, this non-binary vehicle here
is politically correct.
47,000 miles. I'm not gonna rev it up yet. We'll walk out here and let her do her thing. Let's check out the oil. Very clean. Let's pop the cap here, make sure we don't have a head gasket issue. Fram Extra Guard. Don't get me started on Fram oil filters. Good oil cap though. So it looks like mechanically this one is gonna be supreme. Let's rev it up. 174 horsepower of fury. Dave, if you're watching this car actually has a power steering dipstick. The first one ever. kind of cute. Inside joke there. Nobody watching this is gonna have any idea what in the heck I'm talking about.
I work here and I don't even know what you're talking about.
Way back in the day, what was it? It was a 4Runner. One of the owners here was inventorying a 4Runner, and he put in the power steering or the transmission fluid reservoir. And I kept asking him how that would work. That's I'm talking to Andy, but yeah. I kept asking Dave how a power steering or a transmission fluid reservoir would work, and he's like, well, it says only use Dex3 on it. And I'm like, well, but the hoses go to the power steering pump. Good times. We're really stretching for content on this one. If you've made it 5 minutes into a Maserati TC video, you're really looking for something we've got in here. So I've got your attention at this point.
Stuck.
Yeah, you're stuck. I'm gonna milk this bad boy to 10 minutes of me babbling. I don't even know if I can. Anyways, nice peanut butter brown interior there. I'm gonna get the owner's guide here so we can go over some features. The previous owner just so happened to leave me the 1991 brochure here. Let's see what this bad boy had. Let's see if we can find some of these features. A whole world of style and performance. Well, those must have been, I don't know, expired with time. What color would this bad boy be called? Oh, ginger. This interior is called ginger.
Yes.
Ginger.
This is
Exotic red clear coat. Do they put horsepower specifications in? 141. Oh, I'm sorry if you're a Maserati executive, but 141 horsepower was your flagship convertible. Does this thing have the optional compact disc player?
It does, but it doesn't work.
Wow, they must have bought that from Chrysler. The Chrysler Key, the Crystal Key Owner Care Program. With Chrysler's Crystal Key, but this is a Maserati. Why does it say Chrysler?
It's a Chrysler TC.
Andy, for information, can you call 1-800-TC-COUPE?
I'll call right now.
All right, live on the stream, we are gonna call 1-800-TC-COUPE and get information about this vehicle. TC-CO. This really takes me back to my texting days. Flip phone. All right, what do we got?
This call may be recorded for quality assurance. We have a special promotion today for select callers. If you are over 50, please press 1 now.
Oh yeah, Maserati owner is clearly over 50.
Thank you for calling the Medical Alert Center. This is Jessica on a recorded line. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, Jessica. I guess this phone number you.
With our promotion today, you actually have the opportunity to receive a free medical alert.
Jessica isn't real.
Jessica,
You know, it's that.
you're about as real as this Maserati. All right. Well, that, folks, right there shows you all you need to know about this bad boy. They couldn't even keep the 1-800 number open for 29 years. Let's step inside here and check out this voluptuous ginger interior. Can I say voluptuous?
You have to say it correctly. It's voluptuous.
Volump. I see lumps.
Nothing wrong with making up words.
It's a volump.
This is, I can't, I'm gonna go ahead and not say anything about making stuff up. It's 21.
Anyways, the voluptuous ginger interior is in great condition. We are going to be selling these seats as a set. Well, no rear. Man, at least LeBaron's got a rear seat. You just got gypped. You paid more for less with this thing. Left and right pair in very, very good condition. We'll step inside here. As we heard, the radio did not work. Climate control does, though. Man, look at that, more Chrysler. But Maserati, they couldn't even hide it. Anyways, let's go ahead and put this thing in reverse, test out the transmission. It does transmission things. Drive does more transmission things. A couple of revs for you. Pippi, if you're watching this, I tested the wiper motor. Ooh. This guy left us. Oh, dude, these are some sweet keys. Heck yeah. All right. I don't know what else to say here. that is gonna wrap up the, oh, I made it to 10 minutes. The 10-minute test video of MMMZ101, the 1991 Chrysler Baron with a Maserati body kit on it that was installed at the factory. If you guys are looking for any parts off of this, all jokes aside, it's in really good condition. I just love having fun with these cars because, man, I don't, it'd be like if Mitsubishi or Ferrari bought like a Galant and put 488 sedan on it. It's just, it's not a Maserati. It never deserved this name, but
Anybody that drives one of these has this kind of haircut.
I have a mullet. What are you saying? Anyways, that is going to wrap up the test video of this, guys. Any of the parts you're looking for, any of the parts you guys are looking for off of this car, I'll leave a link in the description below to our test video. Wow, dude, I suck. Leave a link down below to our website where we sell car parts if this is my first day on the job. If you guys want this awesome Chrysler by TC owner's manual, leave me a sweet comment and maybe I'll send it to you. But I think I'm going to put this bad boy in my vault for when she's worth a bunch of money later. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Unless you drive a Maserati TC, then go ahead and do it twice. Thanks for watching.